British pounds. Hold on 1 sec, my ear is itching me with these headphones. All right. All right, so you can see the steep trend line that we have here, right, back to last year. I do think last week when we looked at this, one of my favorite setups coming into this week was actually short pound, simply because we were coming into the underside of this trend line, right? This is the trend line from March 2020, very well defined. You know, again, it is steep. However, it does touch a bunch of lows, right? You had the November low here that we connected it with, but then you hit 2 lows in December, and there's, you know, right on it. So did not quite get to that level, but it was close enough. We were actually looking to short. You know, this is trading sometimes. I hadn't ordered a short 139.25. Of course, we trade 139.19, and then it tanks. So just missed that entry, but that's all right. I'll be coming into next week looking for resistance probably around 138. You can see we've had a little bit of reversal to the upside here over the last couple of hours. 138 is going to be roughly 50%. 38.20s, 61.8. So in general, 138 is a level to look at for resistance in pound. Possible support 35.60s. That's going to be the low from February 4th. And you've got just this line that connects the lows from early March and late March. So that's a level to keep in mind. Also, just a little bit lower than that, we have, you can see this, let me go to a different chart, maybe it'll help kind of clarify what we're looking at. So this is a shift fork, okay? So this would be a regular fork. Hold on. This would be a channel, right? You can see here that's channel line. And then this would be a shift fork where, like a whole lot of time to explain exactly how these work. But what you're doing is it's essentially it's a shallower plane that the market's trading on, okay? And you can see that in this instance, look where the high was. It was right on the upper parallel on February 24th. So when you see something like that, you look for the lower parallel to provide support. In this case, that's going to be about 135, which lo and behold is basically the high from September, which is a little lower, 34.80, but you get the general idea. So I will be interested maybe in the long side on pound as we get to 135, or if we get to 135, for several reasons: horizontal level, and again, the lower parallel from the fork here. And that, kind of doing analysis here on the fly, I do want to see where some VWAP levels are. And in this case, we are inching higher. Currently, volume weighted average price from back to the September low is going to be 34.50. So, you know, as time passes, that's going to increase, just like any average does, as you've been going higher. And that would, you know, reinforce kind of the area around 135 as possible support. Hold on 1 sec here. Okay. All right, so that is cable. So, as you know, or should know, I am working with Scandinavian Capital Markets as the Chief Technical Strategist. We're based in Stockholm. Scandinavian Markets is a market maker, and we are looking for profitable traders to join our ranks. We have clients all over the globe that are looking for more strategies to invest in. So if you are a profitable trader and you would like to get into the money manager world, you know, all goes according to plan and things go well, you can get your, you can get your strategy funded with up to $2 million. Okay. So come and show us your skills. To register, go to scandinavianmarkets.com/fundmytrades. Again, that is scandinavianmarkets.com/fundmytrades.